Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. Today I'm checking out the Euhomy Pearl L1 Plus Nugget Ice Maker. All right, it's a little heavy. Got our quick guide. There we go. And the cord appears to be approximately 6 feet long. There we go. Oh, okay. Okay, cool. Check that out. We got our little ice scooper. This is like our ice bin here. Little ice bin can just come out of there. Nice as you please. Check that out. That is very nice. That just slides down on there. There we go. So we have the little thing here. So it's got to sit for 24 hours to allow the refrigerant to settle. We just plug this in. So I filled this up with water. Looks like we're just gonna open that up, and we can slide this in there like this. Okay, fully push it back, and then, oh cool, we have light there, and touch the ice screen. We'll see how long it takes to make ice here. 1354, it's cold already. Nice cold air coming off of there. Wow, it was 13:55, it's 14:03, so 8 minutes later, we already got ice coming out there, guys. So there it is, it's just like randomly dropping ice in there out of its little chute. Look at that, that's pretty cool. So yeah, we'll just keep an eye on it here. 15:10, so 1 hour and 15 minutes, and we're pretty much full here, so I can hit the ice button, that turns it off. Open that up. Look at this ice here. Look at those like little tiny ice cubes. It's great. Look at that. Amazing. Oh, just dumped it all over my table. Look at that. Like perfect little sizes of ice here. You could take it out of the bin if you want. You just pull the bin out. Just got these nice little handles here. Look, just a whole thing of ice. So this is enough for several glasses. Okay, you want to put it back, and that just goes right there. That slides down in there, closes up. Yeah, I like the light on here. That's very cool. Gives a nice glow. It's got a little drain in the bottom, so you can drain that, but just perfect little ice cubes, just like really nice. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, I've just set up for the cleaning. It just runs through before you make ice and things like that. Recommends you have use the cleanser that you can get from here, or you can use probably like a little bit of vinegar, things like that too, and some water diluted. Run it through there, get it all cleaned out initially. And then, yeah, but the touchscreen, very easy to use here. I like how versatile it is. I think it looks cool as well. I'm gonna let this run a cleaning cycle, and then I'll be tasting the ice. Okay, so rinse this out, ran it on the clean cycle a couple times. There's a little plug down here in the bottom, so when you're cleaning it, you can drain that out. Just pull it down. I put it over my sink here. It drains out the bottom. Make sure you get that in the bottom there, because if you try to run it, if that's open, it's going to leak all over your counter or whatever. So have this running here, and now I can try these little guys out. Look at that, just like perfect little ice cubes. Oh my goodness. It's pretty quiet too when it's making it. It's not just like a little humming noise. So this is basically portable. The buttons are just nice and touch sensitive. So lights on or off, the clean ice. Cleaning cycle, it only takes a few minutes to do that. Very crunchy, quite delicious. So a lot of people like to chew ice. I'm not a big ice chewer, but with these little guys, maybe that'll change. So they're just very small. Missed it. Anyways, time for my favorite beverage. the dew of the mountains. After a hard day's work, does anything taste better than a cold glass of Mountain Dew with ice? Very delicious. So I did just put a little bit of vinegar in here, white vinegar, and filled up the thing and then ran that through, and then I just rinsed it out. So this has to be done, it has a clean cycle on there, so you can do that like once after you're done with your ice at the end of the day or whatever. Just hit the clean cycle, just run some regular water through it, and then like every month you could do like a deeper cleaning. But yeah, cranks out. This will be full in about an hour. It starts making ice within minutes. So if you were having a little get together and you needed some ice like an hour before, you just hit the button and you're gonna have a bunch of ice, delicious, crunchy ice. It's almost fun to chew. I can see how people could enjoy chewing up the ice cubes there. Works great. Ooh, it's cold. The ice tastes really good. Nice, and it's not like, I don't know, it's like soft ice almost. It's not like you're gonna bite on it and you feel like you're gonna break your tooth or anything like that. So pretty sweet. I think it looks nice too. If you got like we kind of have like stainless and black appliances, kind of matches everything. It looks cool with the light on. Yeah, thanks for watching this review, my friends. I hope it's helpful. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.